Hello and welcome back to Smart Money Friend. In our last video, we talked about money basics, what money is, how it works, and why managing it matters. Today, we're going deeper into one of the most important money skills you can learn, budgeting. When people hear the word budget, many feel stressed. They think budgeting means restriction suffering. Saying no to everything, but that is not true. A budget is not about control. A budget is about clarity. By the end of this video, you will understand what a budget really is, why most budgets fail, how to create a simple budget, how to stick to it without stress. You don't need math skills. You don't need apps. You just need honesty and consistency. Let's begin. Part 1. What a budget really is. A budget is simply a plan for your money. It answers one question: where should my money go? Without a budget, money disappears. Bills feel overwhelming. Saving feels impossible. With a budget, you know what you can afford. You reduce stress. You make intentional choices. A budget tells your money what to do instead of wondering where it went. Part 2. Why most people fail at budgeting. Most budgets fail because they are too complicated, too strict, unrealistic. Common mistakes include forgetting small expenses, budgeting based on hope, not reality, trying to change everything at once. Budgeting is not about perfection. It's about progress. The first step, know your income. Before you can budget, you must know. How much money comes in income includes salary, wages, side income, any regular money you receive. Important rule: budget using your lowest guaranteed income, not your best month. This keeps your budget safe. Track where your money goes. Most people don't realize how much they spend. Tracking helps you see patterns, identify waste, make better decisions. Track for 30 days. Rent, food, transportation subscriptions, small daily purchases. Awareness alone can change behavior. Part 5. Needs versus wants. This step changes everything. Needs: housing, food, utilities, transportation. Wants: eating out, entertainment, shopping, subscriptions. Wants are not bad, but problems happen when wants are treated like needs. Part 6. Building a simple budget. Let's build a simple budget. Step 1. List your income. Step 2. List your fixed expenses. Step 3. List flexible expenses. Step 4. Decide savings amount. A simple rule: pay yourself first. Save before spending. The 50-30-20 rule, explained simply. This is a guideline, not a law. 50% for needs, 30% for wants, 20% for savings. If this doesn't fit your life, adjust it. The goal is balance, not pressure. Part 8. How to stick to a budget. Tips that actually work. Review weekly, adjust as life changes. Allow room for fun. Forgive mistakes. Budgeting is a habit, not a punishment. Part 9. Budgeting for irregular income. If income changes, budget monthly. Save extra during good months. Plan for low months. Consistency matters more than amounts. I don't make enough to budget. Budgeting is restrictive. Budgets don't work. Budgeting works when it fits your life. A budget gives you control. Without a budget, money disappears quickly. Bills feel stressful. Saving feels impossible. Confidence. Budget is simply a plan for your money. It is not a punishment. It is not a list of rules. It is not meant to make you feel bad. Peace of mind. With a budget, you know what you can afford. You make decisions with confidence. You stop guessing. A budget brings clarity, and clarity reduces stress. Money does not control you. You can learn to control money. You don't need to be perfect. Financial literacy is not about being rich. It's about being prepared, calm, and confident. You just need to start. Here at Smart Money Friend, we're building better money habits, one simple step at a time. If this video helped you, subscribe for more easy, real-life money lessons. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next lesson.